When I was a young man growing up on the top of the Himalayas doing a sound check.
And a holy night, the stars were brightly shining. This is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Something, something, the stars were brightly shining. On your knees, tonight where I get presents. Yeah, you guys, yeah.
That's old school. 1997, baby.
Me. No, kidding, this is my papa. God damn it.
That's old, like fat 97 Cartman. New Cartman's more intelligent.
We'll find a way for us to find the PlayStations, Kenny. Welcome to the Garden of Secrets. You guys, Kenny.
You know, I once got a booking as Cartman. 300 quick bucks, baby, to do my Cartman impression.
Well, fellas, have you heard this? Have you seen this? I mean, come on, fellas. I mean, come on. Well, don't be fucking with my dogs, Bob.
I don't know if I'm allowed to do that anymore. Am I?
Howdy-ho! Well, hi, boys.
We're really bringing it back today. Classic. Damn it! No, I can't. No, that's not right. Mr. Slave. Okay, children, open your books to page 69, where Mr. Slave and I will demonstrate. I'm good. Somebody went to the urinal, good. Spread a little butt cheeks, good. And dropped a chocolate hot dog right there. Hey, what's so funny? Guys think it's funny, I'm good. Drugs are bad, I'm good. Who else? Stan? Yeah. That's just Randy.
Don't forget to bring a towel. I have no idea what's going on right now. Oh, I'm so high.
It's Santa. Oh, Santa and his little elves.
Step 1, collect underbuds. Step 2, phase 3, profit. Jesus Christ, we killed your fucking friend. Oh, we smushed him like a bug. Lemmy wings.
Let me see if I can do Butters.
Oh, hey, fellas.
I don't know.
Well, I don't know. What's going on, fellas?
No, damn it. I can't do Butters.
Hey, fellas.
No, that's not good. I don't know. Hey there, everybody. It's me, Satan.
Hey, Satan. Oh, it's me, Stabber Satan.
No, that's weird.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker.
Oh, Stephen Bootman. And Stephen Bootman, you had me bent over a barrel with my sweet, tender ass ready to get pounded. Hey, fuck you, buddy. I know I'm forgetting somebody big. I just can't think of it. Somebody. Big gay owl. Huh. PC principal. I don't know. That's all I got.